Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. Hello, today I am here to do a review and a test on KOALA paper. It's a holographic print vinyl sticker paper. The package comes with 20 sheets and they are 8.5 by 11 and it's holographic. You need a inkjet printer for this, and I'm using the HP Desk Jet 2755E. I got it online. I'm going to put a link of where I got it in the description box. It was only $79.99, so I think it's a very good deal. I really like this paper because I was looking at it. Some other papers get stuck, but this one is very fine. The thickness of it, it's almost like a paper, but it's very resistant. So it's very really nice texture. So if you look at it, let me peel here, it's not super thick. These are the ones that I already printed. You are also going to need a Cricut or any printer that you have. I have a Cricut, so that's what I'm going to be using. I already created the label that I want to use, so let's go ahead and move forward to the screen and let's get to the process of this job. Okay, here we are on the screen. So this is my label already done, and I'm just going to go to make it. And then I'm going to go to 12. I made him a 1.91, I believe, and so I can print up to 12. I don't know why I put so many. 12. Apply. So there they are. And then I'm going to go continue. We're going to send it to the printer, and then we're going to go printer, no bleed, otherwise it comes too thick. And before I press print, I'm going to put my paper facing up on my HP 2755E. There we go. So we go print. So the next thing we're going to do is going to find out if the ink comes out wet, dry, or how is the ink come out. It's coming, it's coming. Okay, so here it is. I just pulled it out and we go over, and the ink is right away dry. So that's a plus. Okay, no smudges, nothing, nice and clean. Come back to the Cricut, my printer, and it says right here that they recommend put your machine on glossy photo paper, standard. So we go here for photo paper, and that's the glossy paper is the photo paper. So we go here and we go done. And we go ahead and let it go on the default. So now we come to our printer, and we're going to go ahead and set these up right in the corner. There we go. Put it in there. I already did all the settings, so we go here, and then we go here, and it's going to start reading the marks. So now it's going to start cutting. Okay, here we are. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. So there are your labels right there. If you want them to remain in the sheet, you just go when you're doing them, go less. It has default more or less. You can go less, but I don't have a problem with my labels being like this. Okay, so here we go. Here's the label. And there it is. There you go. Look at how beautiful. Nice and beautiful. Okay. If you ask me, I will give it an A+ or a 10+, whichever one. They dry fast. It prints well with an inkjet, any cutter, and you're ready. Another option is that if you don't have a cutter, go ahead and print them, Word or whatever other system you may have in your computer, and you buy one of those cutters at Michael, and you can cut them like that. Okay, that's another option if you don't have money or if you don't want to buy a cutter. Other than that, you guys, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.